Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Wonky, and we're back with some more Batman Arkham Asylum. Yeah, it started me. I literally just clicked into the game, and this is where it started me. So I guess I gotta beat these boys down. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and yeah, I hope you guys have a God bless day. Love y'all. Peace.
Okay, buddy. You want somebody? Don't let him hit you! Crap at it!
Oracle, Dr. Young is dead. Have you figured out a way past these security gates? Before she died, she told me there's a production plant hidden somewhere in the gardens.
The Wayne Tech security protocols seem to be hack-proof. Lucius did a good job. It's a two-part biometric sequence, apparently generated by the Warden, using a code sequencer.
And destroyed by Joker in the safe explosion. Harley Quinn has the Warden, and he's the only chance we have to get past these gates.
Okay, good luck.
Can you hear that, detective? It's the sound of me clapping at your success. Oh, you can't? That's because an idiot would have found that trophy.
Jeez, calm down. Tell him to shut it, now! You heard that, right? Yeah, you know where to find me. Later.
God, let me go, you crazy bitch!
Chappy used a bad word. Mama spank.
Oh!
Hey, Beth. Wanna join the party or what?
As of 10 minutes ago, I have made it illegal to walk on the floor in any part of the asylum. Anyone caught doing so will be... Oh, this is stupid. Anyone caught will have their legs removed and perform magic tricks for Emperor and Joker. There, I did it.
We locked them all.
You're doing great, Chappy. Ready for more?
Question in the bar. We got tunnel. Joke.
He's here! the warning. It is vital everyone unload their sidearms immediately. I recommend unloading them into a can't read is unloading them into your head.
This'll hurt. Knock him to the ground. That's what you got. You're gonna bleed out. Probably when you shot him. That'll do it. It's the back!
Stop, Batman, please! You've got to help my babies!
I'm really not interested in a bunch of flowers, Ivy.
They're in pain, crying for help!
Just stay where you are. Last thing I need is you running free.
Poor children. I'll save you. Everyone will pay. My poor baby.
You need to get me out of this cell. It's me, Cash. I'm needed out there. I can help you. Please, someone, help me. Help! Help me!
Harley! Ah! You have to help me.
Ivy? Gee, you look like crap. Maybe I can sneak you some shampoo.
The plants, can't you hear them? They're crying out to me in agony.
Yeah? Well, I really don't have time for this.
Please let me out. They'll die without me.
I don't know, Red. You're not on Mr. J's party list. Oh, well.
Please!
What the heck? I'll cut you a break.
That feels so much better.
She's a good kid.
I could watch those two all day. What a riot! And speaking of riots, here's a bit of civil unrest I cooked up just for you.
What are you waiting for? Cut me He's taken control of the security overrides. I have the sequence generator, but without the terminal in my office, it's useless.
Your terminal has been destroyed. Give me the sequencer.
What? Oh, yes, of course. It's useless. Half the code won't get you anywhere. We're trapped in here.
There's always a way out. Always. You stay here. Lock this gate when I leave.
Oh, good idea. Can't have someone of my stature falling back into their hands now, can we? Get me out of here! You rescued the wrong warden. He's an imposter. You know how many freaks are in this place.
Easy! A blind man would have stumbled over that one.
You know, Bats, I always thought there was a spark between us. Well, now there is. I know, you're shocked. Come and get me, Bats. I double dare ya. You guys are idiots. There are guns everywhere.
More firepower over here!
busy trying to catch me. Mwah!
Patient pacification system deactivated.
How's it hanging, Babs? Got a little problemo for you. See those two guards over there? I know, shocking. How you gonna save them?
Over here! Help!
Ouch, that gotta hurt. Need me to come out there and kiss your poo-poo?
Batman, help!
Wow, that's a nice toy you got there, Babs. Can I have one?
Get me off!
No fair, that's cheating, Babs. Time to turn up the pressure. Where can I get me one of those? Great job, Babs. Power's all too low on Bluey Green. Question is, can you get him down before it comes back on?
Cut me down!
One down. Fun to go. Time for me to go, Babs. I'll miss you. Not. Oh, and now you have only 30 seconds to get out. Bye-bye.
Need to get the security gate down. Hurry! Quick, get out! Move it! Get out now! Oh, I thought we were both gonna die in there.
You're safe now.
You going after that crazy witch? I saw her heading out of the door as we got out of the room.
She won't get away. I'll stop her and then her boyfriend.
Good. Listen, I'll go try and get the ventilation system working. If you find her, don't go easy on her. For me.
You're expecting congratulations? Come on, try and touch me.
Did you see him back there? What was that thing he used?
No idea. He saved our lives. That's all I need to know.
Come on, keep up. You getting tired? Let me give you a little help. Ooh, you're getting warmer. That's right, Seaman. You're getting closer.
Patient Evaluation 1. Patient name is Victor Zaz. Diagnosed clinically insane after the murder of at least 20 women in Gotham. Hello, Victor. I'm Dr. Cassidy. Seeing as this is our first session, let's spend some time getting to know each other.
I don't need to know you, Miss Cassidy. Everything is meaningless.
Don't you think that's a very negative outlook on life, Victor?
You've no doubt read my file.
Yes, I have. It says you come from a wealthy family, that your parents died, how you lost all the money gambling.
And none of it matters.
Why do you keep saying that, Victor?
Because they
Here he comes, Mr. J!
Excellent. I'll leave it to you then, my dear.
Get him!
Don't let him hit you, idiots!
Ooh, that's gonna hurt!
change of plans, kiddo.
But I tried my best!
Sorry, but there is no prize for second place. I'm afraid you're off the party list. Better luck next time.
No! Die, you big ugly bat! Hey, hands off the merchandise! That's my party list!
Quiet. Why the smiles next to certain names?
You're the detective, you tell me! Huh?
Get it.
You won't find Mr. J. He's in the secret lab in the gardens and... oh, crap!
Yep, I know.
Damn! Well, he'll get me out, you'll see! Yeah, you'll see.
Oracle, I'm done. Harley is subdued, and I have her print scanned.
So you can find the secret lab in the gardens.
Yes. Harley's been everywhere on the island, so I'm calibrating the scanner to only show prints that have traces of chlorophyll.
Okay, listen, be careful. I rerouted a Wayne Tech satellite to show thermal scans of the island. The gardens are showing up hot. Something bad is happening there.
So, you have given in and taken my map. I hope it proves useful.
Harley was just the warm-up, Bats. And to be fair to the little scamp, she did an okay job. Let's call it a B+. But between you and me, I take it to the A grade. Just got to make a couple more of these chemicals, and I'll be creating my own personal army. Ha!
Jack, we're seeing that all access to the island has been restricted. Police and state troopers are manning checkpoints.
That's correct. The island is effectively cut off from the mainland. Nothing on or off. Early reports that Batman himself is on the island appear to be confirmed. Eyewitness reports state that he was returning the Joker to Arkham after the incident at the mayor's office. Batman was killed during the Joker's death, but I must stress, unconfirmed. More as it happens. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Jack. We'll bring you more as it happens. As Jack said, we do not know for certain, but it appears that... latest news. Back to the scheduled program.
Case evaluation 5. Victor is not responding well to treatment.
Good evening, residents of Joker Asylum. Some of our crazy again crashed the party. And when I say crazy, I mean pure psycho. Word of warning. If anyone sees a dribbling fool barking at the moon, or maybe just purring like a kitten, do your civic. Walk off to your arm around them. Show them before you ring them. And then get your lazy asses to the gardens. I'm cooking up a little surprise. Don't disturb. Lord of Arkham Asylum. Never again. You no longer have trouble opening cans. You know what's best. Final pack of Titan comes with a personal guarantee that will enter you into a drawing to be the first to march on Gotham. Come on, boys! First ones.
I should pick up Harley Quinn's trail. I can't waste any time in finding the Titan production plant.
What the hell was that thing?
No idea. Joker's cooking something up, man.
Yeah, and it don't smell good.
Thinks he's God or something. Messing with people's bodies.
Patient interview. Pamela Lillian Isley.
It's the
November 12th, 11:33 a.m. Good morning, Pamela. How are you today?
I'll shoot you in the face.
What do you mean?
The anniversary of my new life. When I found my true self. My dad.
Batman's as good as dead.
Oh, indeed. Is someone missing? I keep losing count. Ah!
Hey, get off me! Ah! Come on! What are you doing? Ah! Watch out! I can't breathe.
I don't like this.
He's on top, in the treetops. Flying rodent we know he is. And really, he beat you all. Again. What does it take? Allow him.
You need to stop this now, before it goes too far.
Stop? But everyone's dying to see what I do next.
Let him go now.
Really? Okay, if you say so, then. You really need to speed things up, Bats. At this rate, you'll never catch me!
I need to shut down power to this room.
So the great detective has solved a mere 10% of my challenges.
Stop, please! I'm not important. I can't help you. You're lucky the boss don't want... He's here! This'll hurt him. You jerks won't last 1 minute against Batman! Let's finish this! Gonna carve you up! Finish him off, Batman! Can you cut me free, Bat? Thanks. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I eat punks like these for breakfast. What were they doing in here?
The ones that weren't hitting me went over there and started doing something to the power controls. I have no idea what they were doing.
Looks like Joker has booby-trapped this control box. This is going to be tougher than before, but it's a risk I'll need to take. Looks like I've cut the power to the generator ahead.
Well, aren't you the persistent one, Bats? Always one step ahead. It won't be long before I have an army of fingertips. Just imagine me being carried through the streets, stepping over the corpses of all those innocent citizens. It's going to be glorious, so I can't wait.
Oh, you found that one? Sorry, it wasn't much of a challenge. I was running out of time.
Are you okay?
Do I look okay? They were gonna kill me. We were in the aviary hiding out, and they came in with Joker shooting up the place and loaded us into cages.
Are they still in there?
No, man. No one's come out since. You got to help them.
Stay here.
Pamela, I got what you asked for. Do you want it?
Oh, yes, dear.
Help me! Someone! Get me out of this thing!
Listen, the bat is on the way. If you see him, send the annoying doctors to hell. That's the down one, right?
Yeah, they're going down.
Good. And remember, if you hear a collar go off, Batman's here.
Joker's men are all wearing the security collars. I'll need to take out the operator first.
Batman better not try to mess with us. He doesn't stand a chance. Not a chance.
I've incapacitated the main threat, but the hostages are still in danger.
So you figured out my puzzle, eh? Yeah. Well, good for you. Do you remember about my alarms? How you guys wouldn't summon Taxi? He's here. Don't let him find me.
What the? I'm sure it came from over there.
It's Batman!
Joker wanted the entrance to the Titan production plant guarded. I should pick up Harley's trail again so I can find it.
Who's discovered our secret lab? Since you've made it this far, let me show you what I've cooked up.
Oracle, I've destroyed the Titan production facility. But Joker escaped with enough to cause us real problems.
Just when you think it can't get any worse.
They've been using a venom plant hybrid to create the Titan strain. The plant's the key. And there's only one person on Arkham Island who can help us.
And what makes you think Poison Ivy will help you?
If her plants are at risk, she'll listen. I have a sample of her pheromone signature on record. She'll be somewhere in the gardens. I'll track her down. I'm going to need something to get over this ravine. Now I can go find Ivy.
It's the Enigma Show.
It's all right, my darlings. I'm here now, my poor darlings. Yes, I know he's found us, but I won't let him hurt you. I'll kill him first.
Ivy, I know Dr. Young mutated these plants to produce venom.
Yes, and I heard it through the grapevine the evil woman paid the price.
I need you to help me create an antidote.
Why should I? Let Joker have his fun. I'll enjoy watching you squirm.
You've been in the dark too long. Every plant on this island will get the same unless you cooperate.
There's a plant growing deep in Arkham Island. Only it can counter the effects of this Titan strain.
Where do I find it?
Oh, in Killer Croc's lair. You didn't think it would be easy, did you?
Go back to your cell, or I'll be after you next.
And I'll be waiting.
Oracle, I need to find a way in...
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this episode. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please make sure to sub and like. And yeah, I hope you guys have a God bless day. Love y'all. Peace.